Hello everyone. Welcome to another class of pronunciation lesson series in which you will learn how to clearly and correctly pronounce each of the 500 most frequently used words in the English language by learning 10 words every day. So let's learn the 10 words of today and let's start. The first word is them. Them. As you can see, I've typed the word in the search box of online Cambridge Dictionary and it gives me American and British English pronunciation. As you know, in this series, we are focusing on American pronunciation. Them, would, would, right, right, like, like, so, so, these, these, her, her, long, long, make, make, thing, thing. So let's recap. The first word is them. The second one is would. Third, right. Fourth, like. Fifth, so. Sixth, these. Seven, her. Eight, long. Ninth, make. 10th, thing. I hope you liked this series of pronunciation. If you have any feedback, please leave it in the comment section and I will see you again. Until then, bye bye.